All right, the last example. It says graph the line that contains point P at 0, comma 1. Now, in order to graph a line, I need 2 points, but they give me some more information to help me find a second point. It wants me to graph a line that is perpendicular to another line. Well, we just looked at finding the relationship between perpendicular lines. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to plot the points -6, -2, and 0, -6, because that's the line that they give me right from the start. So I'll plot those points, -6, -2. Here is Q, and then R is at 0, -6. There's going to be my line. And I want to find a line that is going to be perpendicular to that, going through this point, P. Well, I know that perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So I want to find the slope of line QR. I'm going to put QR over here, and we're going to find the slope. So we're going to take, let's go -6 minus -2 over 0 minus -6. So on top, that's really plus -6 plus 2. That's going to get us a value of -4. And then on the bottom, that's again plus, so 0 plus 6, that is a positive 6, which is going to simplify to a -2/3. Well, now that I know the slope of that line, I can find the perpendicular slope. So I will sometimes put upside down t to signify that this is my perpendicular slope. The perpendicular slope to -2/3, that's opposite sign, so it's going to become positive, and I'm going to flip the fraction, so 2/3 is going to become 3/2. And I'm going to use that slope to find another point coming off of P. Remember, slope is the same thing as rise over run. So from point P, I'm going to go up 3 and then over right 2 to help me find my next point. So up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then over 2, 1, 2. I'm going to suggest that that is another point on that line. And I'm going to try and draw this in as best I can. These lines should look perpendicular, like they're forming a right angle. And it looks pretty close, even from a sketch, that those lines will be perpendicular.